When birds struggle to find food during cold, dry months, it's up to us to lend a hand. Meet Akona. She'll be taking you through constructing a bird feeder that you can hang outside your home. You will need a plastic bottle, some bird feed, a skewer stick, some string, a scissors, and adult supervision. Start by cleaning your plastic bottle. Remove the wrapper if there is one. Once the bottle is cleaned and prepped, cut a large hole on one side of the bottle. This hole should be about 5 centimeters above the base of the bottle. Next is the holes for the string and the skewer stick. 2 holes are close to the mouth of the bottle and directly opposite one another, and 2 holes are 2 centimeters above the base of the bottle, also directly opposite and one on each side of the bottle. Feed the skewer through the holes at the bottom. The bird feed can be poured in through the large hole and filled until it reaches the start of the hole. Next, we can feed a string through the top hole like so. The last step is to go outside and find a perfect spot to hang your friendly feeder. Remember, keep in mind not to feed the birds unnatural food sources like processed foods. Their diets typically consist of fruits, nuts, grasses, insects, or seeds. The bird feed we are using you can buy from any pet or grocery store. If you are not sure what to feed the birds, consult an adult to assist you. I hope you feel encouraged to give back to nature and build your own friendly feeder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy feeding, and remember, always question, always wonder.